Hello dears, today I'd like to show you one series of our COB LED for warning light. Alternizing COB lighting technology provides you with clear light in a compact package for safety. We are focusing on the research of custom COB LED shape with special shapes for real light, warning light, singular light of bicycle. The tail light as warning light has pure color, strong penetration, and good warning and indication effect. So you can see this one is red and blue. Also you can make it red and yellow, or yellow and blue, or any other colors you like. Also we can customize the solder part or any materials as of your application. Our COB technologies surely will let your ideas become true. Work on your inquiry. Thank you.